Asantemaso TV, Yasomosompa.
Judicial Committee within the Blue Regional House of Chiefs. And the injunction, yet me the injunction so High Court ruling na yase High Court ruling na yase National House of Chiefs are more far bigger than you Regional House of Chiefs. No, yase womu kutu ama obeying the court verdict net by you. Wo to meet na a Blue Regional House of Chiefs. Ama Judicial Committee for actually the letter so the injunction so na Sambaja fraso. So one paladino mu so ye or here. I will have a sample. Na engrofo bi said your madwiri mu ka wo mo na asese. I am me say I don't know but me hu dey me nka. Engrofo bi adwiri mu ka wo mo na. Just a question. Because say High Court to be assembly. Aboriginals of you do not have the audacity, they do not have the power. Aboriginal House of Chiefs do not have the power to overturn the decision of a High Court, which is the jurisdictional court of law, which was set by a Appeal Court judge and make a decision. The decision was made, and it is a woo, someone here. Ghana principle, they say, what they call Ghana Jurisdictional Court, Appeal Court na beti di akọ pre-injunction ewa Appeal Court di abeto so na adima bedu wabo pa wono nkrofo da mugu ene wo lawyers for na mugu Bono Regional House of Chiefs ene mo nkrofo na mugu do ma ho no mu binum shame unto you and guasiafo e from akanfo na mo kura mo ye da akanfo ni binu no ha ekwa be so na mo do ma fo binu mo fa ye be ya akanfo binu. You are too disgraced. Mokasa, money ye, musubain, mano ya, money and so dear, mu just be a farm who be a time. Now then, High Court to the assembly. High Court to the assembly. Now, Blue Regional House of Chiefs to me, Eddie Injuncti0n. High Court to the assembly. And Blue Regional House of Chiefs. Judicial Committee of Blue Regional House of Chiefs. You ready? And to be the injunction. After High Court, as some of you instructed. National House of Chiefs. The National House of Chiefs will also instead of a Regional House of Chiefs. Huh? National House of Chiefs name also instead of Regional House of Chiefs. A crime best soon and you petty me said they are really wanting to me. Pardon my words. Pardon my words. If you do not understand anything, Ghana said be the one out now. Wakwankwa di ase na say unitary states. Anya wa. Ana urefi. Ubro officer kunchacha. What I said now was Ghana a unitary state. Unitary state only governed by the constitution. There is a regulation and procedures in each of our your laws in Nala. See a DSM or High Court. Magistrate court to me and for injunction to High Court decision. The High Court able to meet the injunction up to magistrate court decision. High Court ain't to me for injunction and to Appeal Court decision. So Appeal Court ain't to me for injunction and to Supreme Court decision. So as I said, ya wo any this one until now we put from High Court no be call Appeal Court no. And we are your magistrate court. Want to mean with now a magistrate court judge. Want to mean for injunction to a decision made by a High Court judge. Bibi said who yes. Bibi said who. Nothing you know say what Bono Regional House of Chiefs. A Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Judicial Committee. Judicial Committee. Made the injunction through your judicial committee in the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. And they took decision High Court ISS. Papa way, not getting moon shut down the house out. There be not getting moon shut down the house out. now because as far as every person and adwuma da ho ya wonim said the mra ne adwuma sitie no obi ensi obi akwa wo mra no so free say high court ayi bibi ana waya ehite bi na hyehyɛ ya wo ye no enyina mra ne so a wo tumi say wo kwa appeal court ko ka kira appeal continue from appeal court from high court wo kwa appeal court from high court wo kwa appeal court and you say high court will make decisions be ya and you only appeal court on kwala and a timidity injunction to high court decision so nothing I'm saying Bono regional house of chief committee and you have the judicial committee move be margin from too much and you are per se back and some fina let's move be agent from too much move be margin from too much Ajma bedu and Ajma bedu and Koiko. Hey, Ghana. Say the yini. Now you want to qualification in credentials. Where? I have one teacher need bay. Again, legal framework ben and my word that city. Legal framework ben. Because if you look at under the article 270 to 277 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana, and I was there in 2008, Act 759, National House of Chief, Akonya, and will make a decision according to what it writes. And here for the Bono Regional House of Chief, say Bono Regional House of Chief. Ultimate injunction in what constitution the man mandate no huh Ajima bedu this is becoming too much oh too much for ignorance no too much huh at least says ya wo bon yin echi appoint was a free cordia shiade kakra wo bon as still a nam partisan politics in city omo buo sebi amamra ne so apja so kwa apiko na kafa we ya disua ne sua de kakra esa sa Ghana law no yele gubukum to betimi asua ayade na high court ebu asem ehye National House of Chiefs na Bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee TV injunction to so anya dwe na wo fam a me pukra mo me be wi asini hu krofo o madwene mu no sa no akwa ba
me just ebu coffee na pom ti say
pom de ya pa what are these songs are they want to me
ya sometimes I told the bia say entokwa efuno wa na ato akeka say you uni Supreme Court Only the Supreme Court judgment. Supreme Court judgment, or say, a gazetted chief cannot be injuncted.
No.
A gazetted chief cannot be injuncted. That is the truth of the matter. I mean, when you see jubilate, say. Oh, say, baby, I do know. What's the beginner? The katakata ni issue. And that's how they are. Mean, see the whole more you know sabi
what that necessary no nyaba but I was saying one say me wasma to what that necessary no nyam trafere na me hu an am say
we know ombefa koti kwan so ombefa say omo release letter na omo release no committee back chairman for me committee back chairman for me when Jima here chairman so come here chairman what is this I mean chieftains in ya no basa sayamana tantan
your mama chieftains is so disgrace
social media gimmicks I mean you know this will not go anywhere ade I would dey chira we yi enko si ba bia enko ba bia the Bono Regional House is not the final authority. Why do you have to tickle yourself and laugh? I mean, what is this? Oh, I mean, no, media, no man, it's Maybe I said, I
Judicial Committee. Judicial Committee in the Bro Regional House.
What one can sound there somewhat. Oh, there are somewhat. And you say, the amount when you say, people don't know that Otum Force Old Santana immediately do mention now because of a certain time. Supreme Court due to me, it is binding. It is binding. I mean, it is binding. When I can't say, and they come as a binding.
May I Jimmy some cry? I Jimmy. What law school? I'm here trying to get about situation. They are appointed as a judge. I don't quite remember. I said, with the affecting Yala. I'm going to have you ready. Me have my lawyer in teaching.
Okay.
Long time, Michelle. I didn't know.
Hey, no, they would say Yaba.
There you.
Oh, who Yaba? The went. Did the whole? I just want to necessary when Yaba, I mean, Yamajina. Anna, you Yaba for day. Let it be the same name, and ranty meant me a hand in that. And I'm cobious and cobious one. That's a different Bro Regional House of Chief. Yeah, a committee in Bro Regional House of Chief. You are from Judicial Committee in Bro Regional House of Chief, led by Nana Edubi. Now, according to Omono, the injunction, Ato, I call the decision and order. National House of Chief, Mayor Gazette, you register on that somebody for legally, no, almost the injunction.
Injunction from court, like
that is from Bro Regional House of Chief Judicial Committee.
Almost seeking for injunction. I'm court, seeking for injunction.
No, the letter states, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
1 minute.
No problem. And like I had an business question. Oh no. What kind of material? I want the judicial committee. I mean, they have judicial committee of the House of Chiefs, but you see the cost structure.
Let me.
Okay.
Judicial committee. I say judicial committee of the Bro Regional House of Chiefs, Sunyai, a Bro region. The concerned petitioners here, Nana Sekusi, and then the Samudia. No, that's in Sampa. Nana Kwame, Lupia, Abakoma Hene, Nana Ejato, the second, Nifahene, and more Abobo and so. Now, almost please take notes. Take notice that this Honorable Judicial Committee will be moved by Kojo Edubusumpim, ESO of Munufie Legal Services.
My all kind of material. What I can
sorry. Legal Services Sunyai for on behalf of the petitioner applicant here in paying the Honorable Judicial Committee of the Bro Regional House of Chiefs for an order of injunction and injunction to restrain the respondent, Justice Emmanuel Ankama, from in any manner they strain himself and performing the duty and functions as Omahene of Sampa. And no. It is a judicial committee and also Judicial Committee of Bro Regional House of Chiefs. Lawyer, it takes my hand. I give me some.
About Jones, mammy. I said, wait and Tiasia, lawyer, Cheshire, my.
Hey! Lawyer way.
No, not me had it. Sorry, me taking our opinion. I'm had. I know you said that is a judicial committee of the House of Chiefs. Now we say Nyamre come here that try kind their role, but I don't know that if the judicial is a committee, you see the court structure in Ghana no. We start to feel low court now. It's as if from district court, regional bodies, no, circuit court, no, that call high court, court of appeal, supreme court. And that's the judicial structure of Ghana. And in your case, yeah, it has ever called district court, no, now because circuit court, the hierarchy of the court. Okay, that's the only court recognized. There can be a committee, judicial be settle as like arbitration to Mr. TBB to look at matters.
Yeah.
As I say, matters be a related chieftaincy, anything that they matter. But I don't does not give them the jurisdiction about the high court to say, make a decision. A lot of issue injunction. But I wanted to read a little bit around, but on the face of it, I don't know, because the case went to high court first, okay? And I'm making pronouncement. And if they had that jurisdiction and I said with authority now, it wouldn't have gone to high court. The first way I'm with the court crap because almost say a judicial committee of the House of Chiefs. They still talk about dispute and settle, but the high court, in the court of appeal, no, they have more power than them. So I said, court of appeal high power, more power than high court. Until I just court case be the Supreme Court I fan no, it cannot go anywhere else. Or no a committee they can settle this with you. If somebody is there not wanting to say wait me a higher court, I change committee now, or wait me overrule whatever they've decided. It is almost an injunction now. I mean they can settle way no matter wait me discuss different matters and we have to settle things. But that's why issue injunction the name the authority and after the court structure they fall under. And after here I struggle and read more.
So here the person I know I say obi watching back say lawyer need you or what say
Morris but no you can my feedback
ono you so ono court you know
Morris
hello eja
okay
you so ono chamber no
okay Mark
as a medium you are more supervise this kind of unlawful attitude. Doesn't work like that.
No. I mean, when a case back court, Supreme Court, High Court, me really had really wake a crab online. No, where judge or refer say I attuned for I was a customary arbitration into your kind or no, if anything, he was an arbitrator, and arbitration decisions are binding. All kind alternative dispute resolution we did a court. Your mediation, negotiation, arbitration, cancellation, any those way arbitration are binding. What else? It's a court when they went to high court judge referred to 2-4 a decision I'll make here say there was a customary arbitration of 2-4 I think that I didn't know be a 2-4 case or on case in their court because of those things. Because when you arbitrate a customary arbitration is recognized. It's a judge and they can make reference to the arbitration, okay? Because a customary law is part of a law. And arbitration, when it comes to international dispute resolution, almost such arbitration, the way near binding, or negotiation, because you're binding, mediation, because you're binding, arbitration, you're binding. Okay,
arbitration is
binding on the parties.
The customary arbitration referred by the 2-4 is binding by.
It's binding. Internal court to make reference to. So what kind? You had that kind. Then Ghana we don't make kind part of it. I mean, we said that judge natural say when the case was there was a customary arbitration decision by 2-4 or making reference.
There's about customary laws and usages. They don't have to even talk about it again. They have to legal action.
Yes, so one thing when it starts like that, now on binding, but one thing one say you can go to court because you see the court structure is there. Tell them say high court. See, obi failure or high court or court of appeal. Obi.
Oh.
Sorry, no be kasa. It obi court, high court now we can court of appeal. One thing one court Supreme Court. We do Supreme Court final. The only thing I can raise is because of review, judicial review, fan until how now no. It them just say, I'm going to make that statement that they are not speaking like a Supreme Court body. Then I don't know how they can issue that injunction and I say normally injunction.
Said the lawyer came court a hierarchy. It didn't so this law. For magistrate court to High Court.
UK had now we had magistrate in the Crown Court and then Court of High Court to Court of Appeal.
Magistrate Court to Ghana, what fair
District Court.
District Court.
Na Circuit Court.
Na Circuit.
Na High Court.
Circuit. It's a lawyer. Let's say what Shemua. A district court in Timmy for injunction to Circuit Court.
No, District Court decision, no, Circuit Court are making decision. District Court also follow. But I say, and the High Court are making decision. I was Circuit Court will follow. And a Court of Appeal. After High Court follow. And the Supreme Court because I was a Court of Appeal follow. It's a hierarchy of the court. That's what they call it. It's not I don't think I say I don't buy it because courts now make final determination, make order say young gazetting and it's man and some over release a High Court now. Like I don't know, ABI on say name way back. It is somebody injunction so on your day.
Obi are registered illegally.
Yeah, somebody injunction so on your day. Injunction somebody happen so on your day.
That mom probably didn't say oh yeah.
Oh really? That's it has a
what to make a decision there.
If they wanted to challenge this thing, they can maybe go to Appeal Court or maybe just go to the High Court. Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Number Supreme Court. Yes. So if I saw jump now, you can file to offense. It's a friend appellant. It's a court of appellant jurisdiction.
Mandamus no cheche mukaka.
Mandamus, Latin word. Into the request order, I shall say you be. Also, be with order of rating more. Yes, as a short say you okay. A hand, court no be issue mandamus. Other more different rates.
Mandamus no. Ofeli no.
What book court mraso? Say amount or shall say your body. I issue a mandamus on say you have to do this. I mean, say no, say among guys that papa among gin into more. Among guys that are not.
The document no connection.
Yes, or shall say you be. Yes. You are sure say you be into also oh yeah at the court so we are the no bunny into normally least contempt. So the budget do baby no more say and I been do almost say a contempt at channel I'm sure no more than about
publishing.
There was some yes because it's not almost not he didn't want to accept the rating. So no a way of follow. For that one make sure say when I can't nobody can about how woman I'm saying the bodyguards really prevent it so mobile issue rating no so the end there. It's on call to the next stage and say publish it. This I would mean I say eventually to make us well. Newspaper yes, with any newspaper publication near the process no move follow. First one be issue over no way no stay into I understand I want
ya yamanam I Vandamus na wabuso na onwa after the court no the man na wabuso within 2 weeks no file a state of execution and a court no through state of execution go say or court na say yeah, you need to contempt dance. I didn't me.
Oh, on the guy, yeah, Ghana's house, yeah, near man, because Tuesday, I want for play near man is animal, you need send what is going on. But I don't think that this their way will hold because they want to show that their committee, judicial committee higher than the High Court there. I don't know. And then
lawyer, who did this set Kawasasa here we could see one for 4 minutes or more legal food, Mumimra. Yafe obi Ghana Bar Association recently. No obi so ya people judge. Who say was so ayesa mo actisa.
Or some ready assembly who send for mo bumra so bebre even cry time Supreme Court in my order na chire the court no ma say o man ya they will be contempt. I think that not court any abrantana man for no start omode some documents because they're trying to play because of the nature because of chief sense in politics kakra ni sa na manema no. They are trying to because if some normal circumstances can call for contempt and for me because you will court to Maraso. Court can't because court no is a constitutional body and a constitutional and a court no authority say or it's like a court to constitution say supreme law of Ghana. I will be a shall say it is a sister and a dear Juma. That's a constitutional court no authority to do his or her work, sir. That's a contempt. It's a who could do the president at Tama normally and Obiatama would be found. For court, you could book court and contempt of court. 2020, for the less presidential, 2000 and some of 12 banner acquire. Sir John Money for bear for via chair more contempt. A big crack of that prison 1 month in Yadi. Muntia Telecranum Kekam. And that was it. Would be about over Canada Casa because as an court representing Ghana, Ubu Ghana and India. I means you are going against the constitution. What I say. It by now, no, if I don't know what's happening, but if they pursue or move persist on that kind of constitutional crisis, what as in here, and we are now better anyway say But I mean, I wish I mean later then you can make try with my kind in my head. On what authority?
I mean, may we, but the best send you.
Yes.
Because of say, she said your name and I say, me I distracting me, but
You call me boss.
May I Santini platform so a little part of it in any, a little part of the letter in it. Yeah, I was say,
is it okay? But my top on, just judicial committee because normally you'll be my 18 quarter.
Stamp on no cry, just born regional association.
Oh, okay. It's not really, yes. And you know, okay. I've been said, what has I say? I made that. What is the name? I made that kind. What is the name? Inbox. Very free. No matter can be a very Christmas Alba. You might understand because you really want to. And yes, I can. What is your inbox? Okay.
Mammy fancy charge.
Okay.
And tag you. Because I think with you.
I don't mean inbox out me send because I want to understand because otherwise other than that I wouldn't have gone to court in the first place. And then maybe who the grounds are more and so my issue injunction say money always in. Because I'm baby not regional house of chiefs no crowd. On that regions are quite political administration. I don't know how problem no. What I say, we can man, come or one under one we know some come course our regional. Papa, you got some man, cause some back as regional house of chiefs. But because of say, for administrative purpose near the but also most traditional ways in otherwise, I'm going to say, or he with my swear, I'm
lawyer, Mammy Musu. That's part to say, dear, Obi-Wan Regime. Oh, Regime, they say, for political administration.
Yeah.
Let's say, every one Papa regional woman, National House of Chief, nice, everybody miss you.
Yeah.
If you saw percent or bet join this National House of Chief, man.
Yeah.
Bet me, I transfer about other regional House of Chiefs.
I don't know, make us say, I was a son, I was a why I say, mine say raging, but chieftaincy, is different from the political nature. On the chieftaincy institution, our body now is different. How the law and how it works, my establishing different from politics. Okay, and based on the chieftaincy act and institution, they should follow the customs and traditions. Because, for example, Obi a eventual bottom or some Asante Regional, or you have to be part of Asante Regional Council. Also, I believe Asante Regional Council. Yes. Why would he not? Why would he jump from a growing region now? But because of that, now yes. So if they accept say Asante Regional Council now, Asante Council now, the same way they should allow them to join the Asante Regional House of Chiefs. In Quebec, office idea where almost somebody in Johnson about better. I was not. Oh yeah, and no, best stop it because otherwise we mean Papa can see that because the judicial is under mention. Yes, I'm gonna hold jurisdiction because the panel also honor also. What I say, honor and I been accepted. And who has the jurisdiction? Otherwise, in case a customary arbitration can could do of him swearing because he has or say woman I say or interest woman because the panel honor over. Okay, and they come to swear there, and we also the videos are almost arbitration not open. Why I think that the people are trying to create confusion. Yeah, if they want to accept the different institution, the nature, the rule, and the customs of chieftaincy, how it works now. It shouldn't this way. It shouldn't be way. It should be back of war, tag back and forth. Now it's a better problem, big problem. Because court to know, like I say, anything there or Ghana, you can take it to court. That's the main reason why it's court.
A Bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee do not have any capacity to issue any injunction over a High Court decision.
No, they can't overturn the High Court because the hierarchy where they come. The hierarchy where they come. In the hierarchy, are they part of the hierarchy? Oh, no, say in Ukraine, doesn't make any idea about assembling by who. In fact, then I'm quite me could debate or Kumana can ho. Started when I said based on Article 136 of the Constitution, the how process a choose court of appeal judge, I say there has to be have high integrity, high moral standard, high integrity. Oh, I you see no him. I judge. No say you be atana, but if you go by the law, he does not qualify because he videos and the community so many things. Pronouncement I know. Mean the court to some mean the court or match means. Oh, head time.
Because of your profession.
Any that debate we very more understand, but I will apply the law.
I said, you're students of law. You are very careful choosing your words.
Yes.
I am so proud of you.
Oh, times are changing.
Ghana mine, mabusia panyin me so asempa na nam. Kane na ne etitie mo rem, ne esi dan wi ana so moso no so adane adesoa. Enne de Adabov company wa santimemu abedom ye. Amedan so bo ayemre. Enchanse awodo apapapa. Wodi gudan so medan home ebi de say long span self lock, IBR, housing standard, Erotiles and shingles, steel trusses and woodworks, roofing sheets, squares, afei roofing nails. Ni nyina dan ehuniema Adabov company ede abeboaye. Your office ankasa ewo ehwea overseas junction ena baby adwumaku factory nankasa wo no eye infensi a ye ben mopa asoro no e ma remfi say wanim di for wo mo di sanchensi ebegu dan so e de ama wo empo se wuni obi a obetumi afre yen ewo 0245385109 Adabov company limited say ye dan so body a ene na wo mo eye osimpitimpirimpi
Asantemaso TV. Yes, so Mosompa.